Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to remove tab group in Chrome in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to delete tab group in Google Chrome, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To remove a tab group in Google Chrome, first of all, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer or mobile device. Once you are on the main screen, locate the tab group that you want to remove from the tab bar at the top of the browser. If you are using a computer, right-click on the tab group name or the colored circle next to the group. A pop-up menu will appear with different options. If you want to completely delete the group along with its tabs, click on Delete Group. This will remove all tabs inside that group at once. If you are using mobile Chrome, tap on the tabs icon at the top or bottom of the screen. A new screen will appear showing all your open tabs and groups. Find and open the group you want to remove. Now, you can either choose Close Group or the Delete Group option from here. Now, you have successfully removed the tab group from Google Chrome.